对这个来说应该是。如果是我一定是用英文，所以
可以吗？用英文可以吗？
好，我试试看。
Listening comprehension test.
This is the instrument we've been creating. It's going to be placed on top of this mechanical bug eventually.
So instead of this one?
Yeah, this is an old prototype. Well, it's half pulled apart now, but that's the original prototype from last year. And the bug itself will also be changing during this process.
Question number 2.
We've changed the instrument itself based on the hurdy-gurdy, which is a traditional European instrument, which uses a wheel to vibrate the strings as opposed to a bow like on a violin. So this wooden wheel is controlled by a motor. And we've got another motor here which moves this arm up and down to change the pitch of the string. Yeah. So it's just 2 strings. There's a brass top, and it's otherwise quite simple mechanism. So the motors can all be controlled by these sensors, which are worn by Wenjun, the dancer. So she's able to control the speed of the motor, and it can also move smoothly, or it can kind of move. It can sort of stutter like this, let's say, and we can change the speed of the stuttering so it can create rhythms with the wheel. And then she can now. This is a new development which she hasn't tried yet, but she'll be able to control this arm as well to affect the pitch of the instrument by her movements as well. 差不多了。
2只手决定不一样的东西吗？
对。Still got the speed. The speed is always loud and soft. The speed is always.
Speed is not loud. It's not loud.
Yeah, loud and soft. Let's call it loud.
Okay.
Yeah, the volume. So let's call this like volume.
Okay.
So if I go to smooth mode, that's maximum. Yeah.
It's hot. Is it right?
It's hot.
It's hot. 对，它现在是热，it's hot.
Smile good.
Question number 4.